Windows are a crucial part of any home's architecture, providing both functional and aesthetic value. They allow natural light to fill your living spaces, provide ventilation, and offer views of the outdoors. Over time, however, windows can experience wear and tear, leading to issues that affect their performance and your home's overall comfort. If you live in Cayce, South Carolina, you may have noticed some telltale signs that your windows are no longer up to par. Here are some common signs your home might need a window replacement. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacing is the presence of drafts or air leaks. If you feel cold air in the winter or warm air in the summer around your windows, it indicates that the seals or weather stripping have worn out. This can lead to increased energy costs, as your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain the temperature inside your home. Additionally, air leaks can affect your home's comfort levels, making it harder to maintain a cozy and consistent indoor climate. Condensation between the panes. If you notice condensation between the panes of glass in your windows, it's a clear sign that the window seals have failed. Modern windows are typically double or triple pane to provide better insulation, but over time, the seals around these panes can degrade. When this happens, moisture can get trapped inside the window, causing fogging or condensation that can't be wiped away. This is not only unsightly but also affects the energy efficiency of your home, making it a prime indicator that it's time for a replacement. Difficulty opening or closing the window. Windows should operate smoothly and easily, but over time, the hardware or the frame may become worn, making it difficult to open or close the window. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors, including warping of the frame due to moisture exposure or the buildup of dirt and debris in the tracks. If you find yourself struggling with a window that sticks or won't open at all, it may be time to replace it. Functional windows are essential for safety and convenience, especially if you need to use them as an emergency exit in case of a fire. Cracked or broken glass. If you notice cracks or breaks in the glass of your windows, it's time to consider replacing them. Even small cracks can weaken the integrity of the glass, making it more vulnerable to breaking. Additionally, cracks can lead to drafts, poor insulation, and even security risks if the window can't be properly closed or locked. In some cases, a repair might be possible, but if the cracks are widespread or the glass is too damaged, window replacement is often the best solution. Excessive exterior noise. Windows play a significant role in reducing outside noise and creating a peaceful home environment. If you've started noticing more exterior noise coming into your home, it could be due to aging or poorly insulated windows. Single-pane windows, in particular, provide less sound insulation, so upgrading to newer, more efficient double or triple pane windows can help block out noise from traffic, neighbors, or the busy world outside. Replacing windows with better soundproofing technology can significantly improve your home's tranquility. Aesthetics and curb appeal. Old or outdated windows can drastically affect your home's curb appeal. If your windows are faded, cracked, or have peeling paint, they may be dragging down the appearance of your home. Replacing old windows with newer, more stylish options can significantly enhance the aesthetic value of your home, increasing its market appeal and making it more inviting to guests and potential buyers. Whether you're looking for modern, sleek designs or more traditional window styles, there are plenty of options to complement your home's architecture. High energy bills. If you've noticed a significant increase in your energy bills despite maintaining the same habits, your windows could be a contributing factor. Poorly insulated or damaged windows allow heat to escape in the winter and let hot air in during the summer, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. This inefficiency can lead to higher energy costs over time. Investing in energy-efficient windows will not only lower your monthly bills but also reduce your home's environmental footprint. Conclusion: windows are an essential component of any home, and when they begin to show signs of wear, it's crucial to address the issue promptly. In Cayce, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year, energy-efficient windows are key to maintaining a comfortable home while keeping utility costs in check. If you're noticing drafts, condensation, difficulty opening and closing windows, cracks in the glass, excess noise, or rising energy bills, it may be time to consider window replacement. A professional consultation can help you choose the right window style and material that best suits your home, ensuring it remains both functional and beautiful for years to come.